Hi students, the topic of today is about making deductions. We're going to use would, could, and might, plus have, and plus past participle. First thing to check is about what is a deduction. It's the act of understanding something based on evidence. What kind of evidence? For example, here we have a broken glass and a fire. We can make our deductions in order to say what happened. Okay? How can we make deductions? In order to make deductions, we use modal verbs. What are the modal verbs? Might, could, and would. We're going to add the verb have. Also, we're going to add past participle. What is the past participle? We have here some examples. The first column is infinitive. The next is past simple. And then we have past participle. Are the same verbs, but we have been, come, done, eaten, made, seen, taken, written. These verbs are in past participle. Now, we're going to check some examples. The first example says, the pyramids could have been made by animals. The pyramids would have been made by Egyptians. The pyramids might have been made by aliens. So, these are examples about how we can create our deductions. We're going to check the next example. The picture is about children who are fighting. So, we're going to deduce why they are fighting. The first example says, one child could have taken off the other's cap. This one deduction. Another deduction could be, they will have been playing but something gone wrong. The third is, one child might have started the fight over a color or a pencil. As you can see, we're using could, would, and might. Another example. What did Homer do? You can look at the picture, and the dish is on fire. The first deduction is, Homer could have used hot oil instead of milk. We have another deduction. Homer might have hated a lot the milk. And then, Homer would have confused the cornflakes with taquis. Now is your time to deduce. Remember to use could have and past participle, will have and past participle, might have and past participle. Thank you for your attention.